Hi, good morning, everyone. My name is Sebastian Ganai. Today, I'm gonna introduce about photosynthesis, transpiration, and gas exchange. For photosynthesis, leaves convert sunlight to chemicals energy. They produce oxygen and food for the plant. For transpiration, leaves release water vapor. This drift water movement through the plant. Gas exchange is leaf take in carbon dioxide. They release oxygen through the specialized pores.
Okay, in this slide, I'm gonna explain about part of a leaf, which is the first is a lamina. Lamina is the green expanded part with veins and veinlets, contain the midrib for rigidity and transport. Next, leaf base. Attached to the stem may be stipules in monocot expand into a shed. Next, we go to petiole. Hold the blade to light. Flexible petiole allow leaf to flutter, cooling them.
So now we move to the next part. At this third slide, we learned about leaf types and shape. As you guys can see on the slide, there are two categories of leaf types and shapes. For the first one is the simple leaf. Simple leaf have single undivided blade. For example, include oak, elm, and maple leaves. The next one is compound leaf. The compound leaf has blade divided into leaflets. For examples include ash, walnut, and rose leaf.
Now, this is the next slide that I will explain. For this slide, I will talk about compound leaf. For the first is pinnately compounds based on pairing of leaflets. So, these are two types of pinnately compound as you can see at this picture. So, the first picture is polypinnates, or can call it as even pinnates. Polypinnates is a leaflet evenly paired with no terminal leaflets, and with two leaflets opposite each other. For example, tamarind and sesbania. So, for second picture is impolypinnates, called as odd pinnates that leaflets are odd, paired with a single terminal leaflet at the end, like end with one leaflet at the tip. For example, rose and neem.
Next, we move to the next slide about pennantly compound. Based on number of pennation, we have three types. First, an unpennant, second, bipennate, and third, tripennate. For unpennate, leaflet on a single main rachis. Example, for rose. Second, about bipennate, many rachis branches into secondary rachis bring leaflet. Acacia. For last, tripennate, secondary rachis feature branches into tertiary rachis. Example for moringa.
So, for this slide, we have compounded leaf. First, we have palmately compound. We have three types. First, we have unifolate. Second, we have biofolate. And third one, we have trifolate.
Okay, next we continue with the palmately compound in the compound leaf. In the palmately compound, also have a quadrifoliate and multifoliate.
As we can see on the slide, there are two of leaf venation patterns. First one is reticulate. Reticulate venation is common in dicotyledon plants, for example, mango and hibiscus. Reticulate venation is when veins form a net-like pattern. The another one is parallel. Parallel venation is when leaf veins run side by side from the base to the tip of the leaf. Parallel venation also common in monocotyledon plants, for example grass and banana.
Okay, for this slide, it's talk about modification of leaf. It has three. For the first is for spots. Is leaf converted into tendrils for climbing as seen in pairs. So second is for defense. Leaf modify into spines for protection as in feathers. And third one is for food storage. Fleshy leaf store food and water as in onion and garlic.
Continue for the last slide for photosynthesis and for insectivity. For photosynthesis, petals expand and become green pilot in Australian acacia. And for insectivity, specialized to trap insects as in pitcher plant and Venus flytrap.